Good afternoon, everybody. It's currently 12:30. I am making lunch. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Alma. I have a 2-year-old named Roger, a 5-month-old baby named Winter, and my husband's name is Roger as well. Welcome. Right now I'm making lunch. Alright guys, this is what I'm going to be using, or at least some, because that doesn't fit. So I'm going to be using mozzarella cheese. You can use any cheese you like. I just like this one. Salt, chorizo, again, whichever one you like. I'm using this one. I didn't want to use it, but it's just been, I might as well just make it already and throw it away. Bacon, eggs, and tortilla flours, or flour tortillas, my bad. And last one is ham, because it's just 2 hams in there, so I might as well just make it instead of leaving it there, because then we'll forget all about it. And yeah, so that's what I'm going to be using. And what I will be making is egg, bacon, chorizo, and ham burritos and cheese burritos. Cutting the bacon while the stove is heating up. But I like to do it way before, because I am saving up the eggshells for Easter. So I like to just crack the around it. So I'll show you guys how I do that. So I hit the pointy part of the egg like that, and then I just peel it. I usually have a napkin. I like to get the chorizo like really mixed. Ow! You also have to be really careful, because the chorizo does jump a lot, so you will get things jumping at you. Guys, papi, ve para allá, ve a ver la movie, córrele. Yeah. That's why I just sent him to go watch. He's watching Cars right now. And that's why I sent him to go watch it, because he likes being here with me. But the chorizo jumps, the grease jumps a lot. Alright, I just now put the ham in it. I stopped the camera because it was, I have to scrape it off the cutting board. Papi, váyase para allá porque te va a saltar el de este. Córrele. Now I'm gonna put the salt in there. Yeah. And I mix it with the butter knife just because, I mean, it does the same thing. So I just got a call, so I wasn't able to record this because I record on my phone. But I just put the eggs in, and this is what it's looking like. It might not look good to some of you guys because of the color, but it's the chorizo. But, oh my gosh, it's really, really good. So this is what I did while the tortilla was heating up, actually. I washed the eggs with soap and water, and this is what they look. And then now, this is going to be my burrito. So this is actually what I made is actually enough for about. Alright, so this is what it looks like. And before it gets cold, I'm putting cheese on it. Not too much. And that's what it looks like. It's pretty good. Now I'm gonna try it with oh my bad. Some sauce, some fire sauce. And that's what it looks like. I know why you're here. You're thirsty. Guys, this is bomb. The fire sauce was extra. It tastes so delicious with it. find the fish? Good job. Can you give it to me? Thank you. Can you find the eye? Where's the eye? Good job. Can you give it to me? Thank you. You're doing good.